how to check balance in Google Play Store. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to view the balance that you have. So if ever you have a Google Pay attached on your Google Play Store, this is where you will be able to check out how much you have left. So first things first, click on your profile over here on the top right. After that, you will see here, look for the payment and subscription options that we have. So simply select that option and click on our payment methods. After that, simply scroll down and click on more payment settings over here at the bottom. Open it with a browser that you prefer. And you will be able to see in this page, this is then where you will be able to see the payment methods attached on your Google Play Store. So if you have a Google Pay, this is where you will be able to see the balance, or there will be an appearance wherein it will mention how much balance do you have left. And of course, it will show you other payment methods that are attached on your Google Play Store. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.